Hello, friends and family. This is Gloria Sandra, and thank you for stopping by. Subscribe, share, comments, just do the necessary to make this channel grow. I'm giving you back to back. Okay, I'm trying my best to give you consistency, and that's just it. Give some support to your girl. Anyway. So thank you, and today it's another video just in the farm life and just giving you updates on what's been going on. As you can see, there's more capsicum that is growing in the farm, and I'm super thrilled because this plant just keeps on giving and giving. And I've done a bit of weeding, mulching, just to make everything look prim and proper, and so far it's been rewarding. Yeah, that's it. Subscribe, please. So I wanted to share this video clips of Katie going on a walk with us. It was at night. I think we were running some errands, and she was like, "No, I want to go with you today." And that day, I think we just said, "Okay, let's just take her with us and see how far she'll come," because we usually don't go with her. Yeah, not to risk her getting attacked by dogs, and she's quite shy, so I don't think she's ever taken a walk before. But on that day, during that day, that is, she wanted to take a walk. But also on that day, I remember she was sick. Yeah, she has a scar on her stomach, and I don't know what had triggered it, but yeah, she just didn't want to stay back. She was just acting all weird. But she did her best, took a walk with us, and we kind of enjoyed it. Yeah. And she kept looking back, I don't know. Anyway, yeah, but it was really fun. Good girl. Good girl. Come. It is taking a while. So today I want to check on a plot of land where there's some maize, and I'd shown you before a snippet of it, but on this day I just gone to check on how it's progressing. There's some vegetables there, and we just did some pruning, and later I'll come and just work on that piece of land. But here are some snippets of how the plants in my side on where we're living are doing. And this is the maize, and we have also some beans, and they're doing so well. They love that season where there's not a lot of rainfall because of blight. So at this time they're just thriving, and I am super excited. I just hope I'll have more beans, more than the other time that I had planted, because it's a bigger portion. But anyway, fingers crossed, we'll get there, and I'll show you how much I'll harvest. See you on that side. So today is the day that we're doing that part of cutting the stalks and putting them in a maize stake. And I didn't know how to do that. Thank God for my cousin who's actually good at that anyway. He came and helped a girl out because it would have been me alone. So thank you so much. Let me just say that first because I know it's gonna be watching. It was a lot of work, and at some point I cut myself because of those stalks. They are sharp. I should have been wearing some sort of gloves, but anyway, that's how people do it around here. So there's no protective gear or such, but that's what I did. State your name for the records. You have asked. Hi guys, I'm already wearing the scarf. I'm in my element. I enjoyed that. I enjoyed that. So this is how you stick. Chop them up. And then you grab your stalks and you put them on a stake. Like that. And then you wait for like 3 weeks. So you guys, if you've seen a video I did last time, like 2022, I was in my grandma's farm. So today I'm also in my farm. Yeah, and we're almost done. Thank you to my cousin who's behind the camera. Yeah. So the space that we were working on was considerably big. Okay, it's not as big as back in my aunt's or my grandma's farm, but yeah, it's big, and it was just the two of us. But we got to do it in under like 3 hours. Guys, I'm very serious about farming, and today, let me show them. Guess what? All this was me. You don't believe me? But it wasn't me alone. It's the guy behind the camera. He's shy though, so he doesn't want me. Like, he lets me shine. So I'm gonna tell you it's me. And I'm almost done. So I'm finish up. And then I'll see you guys. The next time that I'm harvesting. Okay? Please subscribe. Ile huko juu kabisa ndo tamu. Ukipata ile ya juu ile ya kupika ile umaachia ndege. Ile tunawajia ndege. Acha ndege wa kule hiyo. Wa? Wanakushanga asubuhi. Asubuhi hapo. Washajua. Thank you for watching up to this end. Make sure that you subscribe and turn on the notifications so that when I post the next video of the harvesting process and everything, you'll not miss out. All right, see you on the next one. Bye.